It's a day after a game, and I do have a couple of guys back up doing some kind of roof work maintenance. I don't know if it's maintenance on ETFE, spars, or the lighting system, but I can just kind of see that he's wrapping some sort of I don't know what that is, some kind of wiring or but it looks like there's two guys up there at the moment. And this guy, you see, he's got a couple of bags on both sides hanging off his belt. After four weeks of play here at the stadium, we still do require some type of maintenance or work directly below the roof. It'd be cool to have a GoPro cam on that helmet. See the view from up there. Way up on the top. And there's some workers on top of the NFL building. Walls are coming up on the corner of Prairie and Century. This is parking lot section 1 of the retail. There are a few other of these signs around. There's another 1 or 2 over on Prairie. Looks like there are these walls that have been going up. I don't know how far along they will extend coming up here along Century. Another one of the closed off driveways leading into one of the parking lots off of Century. So here's a look off of Prairie and Hardy, the latest on the construction for retail and restaurant district next to the stadium. See, they're still way behind on one of these street billboard signs. Haven't finished that up yet. It's Seems odd why that would be taking so long. Looks like some more landscaping here in the corner of Prairie and Hardy. Still some peeps up on the south end.